During this holiday season, everyone is hunting for the best gifts for the special people in their lives. Thus, online merchants will encounter huge crowds on their e-commerce sites. Unfortunately, merchants will also encounter a significantly higher number of fraudulent purchases. How to prevent chargebacks in this holiday season? Use a fraud screening service like FraudLabs Pro can screen an online order within a few seconds. Manual fraud checking is no longer sufficient in this day and age. IP geolocation detection is one of the common features provided by the fraud prevention service. Any discrepancy between the customer's IP location and the billing address means a manual fraud review is required. Another useful feature in the fraud prevention service is proxy server detection. Nowadays, fraudsters try to hide their geolocation by using proxy servers like VPN servers. The transaction velocity checks which is included in the fraud prevention service would be helpful along with various data blacklists. By doing so, merchants can limit the damage done by potential fraudsters. Furthermore, FraudLabs Pro Fraud Screening Service introduces a community group named Merchant Network. Merchant Network, which consists of blacklists data contributed by other merchants, will collectively help others on the network. Secure your business and prevent chargebacks in this holiday season by using the FraudLabs Pro Fraud Screening Service now. You can screen up to 500 transactions every month for free. Learn more at fraudlabspro.com.